everyone. So myself Rava Jagga, a fifth year law student from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, pursuing BCom LLB in taxation laws. So nowadays I am a legal intern with Lexis and Company. So today for our topic is will under Indian Succession Act 1925. Okay, let us discuss this concept in brief. So let's start. First of all, you have to understand what is the meaning of will. Okay, so the will means a legal declaration of the intention of a person with respect of his property, which he desired to take a effect after his death. Okay, it is a unliteral document and take effects from the after the death of a person making it. Okay, it can be revoked or altered by the maker if it is a time of completing of a disposal of the property. So basically the will should be conduct or should be made basically after the death of a person who is willing or who are want to make their will. Okay, so a will made by the Hindu, Buddhist, Sikhs or Jains is governed by the provision of the Hindu Succession Act 1925. However, the Momdoms are not governed by the Hindu Succession Act 1925 and they are dispose their property according to a Muslim law. So their will should be conduct and should be worked according to a Muslim act. Okay, so let us discuss who can make a will. Person who is available or who is possible to make a will. So let's discuss one by one. So first person is every person who is of sound mind and is not a minor can make a will. Okay. Second one, a person who are deaf or born or blind can make a will provided that they are able to know what they are doing. Okay, another person, a person who is an ordinary insane may make a will during the interval in which he is a sound mind. Okay, so last, a person who is entitled to make a will is no person can make a will where he is such a state of mind, whether arising from a intoxication or from illness or from any other cause while the doing of a work. They are drunk, they are illness, they are not in the position to make a will. That person is not able to make a will. Whichever will should be considered as a null and void. Okay, so let us discuss section 57 of this act which apply. So this talks about the application of a certain provisions of a part to a class of will made by a Hindu, deals with the territorial limits. Okay, and he says that the act applies to the wills who made by a Hindu, Buddhist, Sikh and Jain only. Okay, Muslims are excluded from this act. Okay, section 57 provided that the after the marriage shall not revoke such will. So let us discuss a testamentary succession. Okay, so testamentary succession is written in the section 30 of this act. That means any Hindu may dispose of his property by a will, okay, which is under the capacity under the provision of this Hindu Succession Act 1925. Okay, or a law which governs them. So there is an explanation which is given to a section 30 of the act, which further clarify the interest of the male Hindu in the Mitaksha co-person property or an interest in the member of a Tarwad, Utmana and so many others are there. Okay, shall be deemed to a property capable. So let us discuss this concept with a landmark case law, which is a Tagore versus Tagore. So in this case, testimonial power of a Hindu to make a gift by a will was first recognized. Okay, so this is another one case law which is very important to understand a will, which is a Rajma versus Rami Reddy. So in this case, the Andhra Pradesh High Court explained the section 30 of the act, which states that the property capable of being disposed of by him or her in the matter of the male Hindu in a Mitakshi co-partner's property. Okay, so let us discuss what are the present status of a section 30. So there is an amendment done in 2005 in section 30 that includes a daughter as like a male member. All the rights is given as same as the male to a daughter. Is a co-partner and she has the same power to concern a joint family property by a birth. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubt, please feel free to comment in a comment box. Okay, thank you so much.